Did you know that some people once found their crypto wallets filled with thousands or even millions of dollars worth of tokens? It's because of airdrops. These airdrops have made a significant impact, not just on individual lives, but across the entire crypto industry. Today, we explore some of the most impactful airdrops in crypto history. An airdrop is when a company or project gives you free tokens just for holding a certain cryptocurrency or being an early supporter. It's the way for projects to spread the word about their new tokens or reward their loyal community. Let's take a look at some airdrops that made people go, wow. First up, we've got the Uniswap airdrop in 2020. Imagine waking up one day to find 400 UNI tokens in your wallet just for using the platform before September 1st, 2020. Those tokens were worth about $1,200 at the time of the airdrop. Not bad, right? But here's the kicker. Those who held onto their tokens saw them skyrocket in value, reaching nearly $12,000 during the 2021 bull run. This airdrop was a game changer, proving that decentralized exchanges could not only compete with centralized ones, but also reward their users in a big way. Next on the list is the ENS airdrop in 2021. If you had an Ethereum name service domain, like yourname.eth, you were in for a huge surprise. The ENS project dropped governance tokens to all domain holders, with some people receiving thousands of dollars worth of ENS tokens. One user reportedly received over 25,000 ENS tokens, which, at their peak, were worth more than $1 million. Life-changing moment, right? This airdrop wasn't just about giving away free money. It was a way to decentralize control of the ENS project, making sure the community had a real say in its future. Now, let's fast forward to 2022 and the Optimism airdrop. Optimism is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, designed to make transactions faster and cheaper. To celebrate their launch, they dropped OP tokens to early users of the network. Some users received thousands of tokens, which quickly became worth tens of thousands of dollars. This airdrop not only rewarded early adopters, but also helped secure Optimism's place as a major player in the Ethereum ecosystem. In 2023, another Layer 2 solution made waves with its airdrop, Arbitrum. Much like Optimism, Arbitrum aimed to ease the load on Ethereum. When they dropped ARB tokens to early users, some received hefty rewards. One user even claimed to have received tokens worth over $20,000. Arbitrum distributed about $1.97 billion worth of ARB tokens, regarded as the biggest airdrop in 2023. So many airdrops have left their mark on the crypto world. We'd be here all day if we covered them all. But I've got to mention a few more. 1inch, DYDX, and Looks Rare all made waves with their airdrops, rewarding early users with tokens that became incredibly valuable. These stories teach us at least one thing. Getting involved early in promising projects can sometimes lead to unimaginable rewards. Keep your eyes open, stay curious, and who knows, the next big airdrop could be just around the corner.